Hello. This video will cover Coggle. Coggle is an item that will, an internet product that will help you create mind maps, concept maps. It is free in a limited format. Simply, you can just Google Coggle, Coggle. You can then log in using your Microsoft credentials, or you can log in using your Google Gmail credentials like that. And then you can simply begin by clicking on Create Diagram. And here's one I've started on. Let me go ahead and click and bring it up. Usually you'll get a center box like this to start, and then you just click on the little plus signs at the end to create branches. And you'll see I started one with COVID-19. One of the things you can also do as when you start these is you can add the icons in. And to do that, let me click on one of these. Oops, sorry. Let me go back here. See the little symbol here, search for icons? I can add it in, click off on it, and then that will be there. And if I do something like that, I can exit out. So, you can add items like that. And what it does, Coggle can provide you with a visualization of your thoughts. I started out with COVID-19. I went up here, thought about origins, and then China, blame for spreading, and then I thought about bats. That was one of the origins crossover. And that led me to a new idea, which I started called Strange Foods. Then I thought of some. Bologna, hot dogs, Viennese sausages, and the strangest of all, haggis. Okay, what's the history of haggis? How much of it is sold? So, and also I thought that led me to the thought of ethnic foods. I've got pizza and egg rolls. I think they're American-based. History, how much of these are sold? And then I've also, again, with pizza, I heard recently there is a pepperoni shortage. So my questions would be, how's it made, where's it made, and why the shortage? And then I thought of other things related to COVID, like the spread, vaccine requirements, psychology dealing with mass shaming or mask, social psychology dealing with students and crowds, hand washing. I could go back up here. You think of spread, you think of the conspiracy theories. And then I get the alt-right and alt-left. And again, as you see, I can actually, if I get here, I can drag these so it's not close to another one. And then I thought about the effects, about the brains and the lungs, long-term effects. And I know there haven't been very much studies done on this yet, but there's been other studies for other long-term illnesses like polio. And if I wanted to, I could add a branch in here and say, other long-term illnesses, and just click it. So that's basically how you do a Coggle. And up here are my items to present this Coggle. I can download this Coggle. I can go back and make comments and chats. And here's the big feature. I gave you a quick overview. If you go here to the help button, type in the word tutorial. I provided a link to it on a Word document. But here's a video tutorial. Watch it because they know this system better than I do. Also, if I close this out, if you need information about editing, because that's where I picked up most of these, just click on editing. And it tells you about how to make a copy, how to do all sorts of items in here. And also, again, I have created a Word document, editing Coggle, Coggle help, editing diagrams, shortcut keys for some of these items as well. Please use it. Please use it for what it's for. You can also use it to make, as you said here, flow charts. So if you need organizational charts, we click out of here and just put organizational chart here. Create flow charts. And again, though, some of these items may be limited based upon what type of an account you have. And again, this will provide you information. So if you have any questions or comments, you can contact us and we'll try to explain this Coggle with you. And again, let's hover over and you can see the items. And again, if you want to add, if I click here and want to go in and edit, I can copy the branch. If I want to add my icon, I can do that. If I want to go back and change it to explode, I can add multiple ones. So you can maybe go back and edit these if you decide a certain truncation, a certain level is what you want to do on. And again, you can keep adding it out. And if I want to change my shape, I can choose the shape. And again, some of these are restricted. So that will take it back that way. So there you have Coggle. Enjoy it, play with it. Hope you have fun with it. Thank you.